Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can configure view items, add to cart, and purchase events to GA4 from your website by GTM. Okay, to do this, we need first to enable a data layer on your website. Without enabling the data layer, you cannot send that accurate data to your website. So that we need to do that with GTM because we are not developer, we are just marketers. So we don't have developing knowledge like marketers have done no developing knowledge. That is why we need to insert some plugins on the back end of the website. Like I am showing this for WordPress side, and for Shopify, Squarespace, there are lots of different terms to enable data layers. Okay, so today I will show that thing, that how we can enable the data layer on WordPress backend and using the plugins like GTM for WP. Okay, so I am going to share my screen, and it is already shared. So now I am going to Google Tag Manager to show this out, that how we can do this. So this is Google Chrome, so I am just going to Google Tag Manager. Okay, so in a previous video I have shown that how we can configure Google Analytics 4 by a Google tag in Google Tag Manager and connect the GA4 with a website by Google Tag Manager by a Google tag. If you haven't seen my previous video, just I have added a card above. Just click on the card and see the previous video. Otherwise it will be hard for you to get it, that what I'm doing. Okay, so I have created this container before in my previous video, so I'm heading to this container. Okay, the container loads. Yeah, so this was a container we have created before. We have also created a Google Tag Manager account, so and also a Google Analytics account, and also the data stream like a property. Okay, so if you haven't watched the previous video, just watch it from the cards I have added, and after watching that video you can easily understand what is going on here. Okay, so I am gonna connect Google Tag Manager with the website. So I am just previewing it. Okay, so simply this is my website URL, like a demo site. I've created a test and make this tutorial for a beginner friendly. Okay, so I'm just connecting this with my website like a debug view. Okay, this has been connected. When your website is connected with GTM, you will see a pop-up here. It is taking time. Okay, the pop-up appears here that the tag assistant is already connected. If you haven't configured the GTM tag, GTM code with your backend, it will not connect with the website. Okay, so this is my website. So when I am just viewing an item from here, okay, I want to see that what events are going to GTM to track. Okay, so I have just viewed this hand sanitizer. Okay, so I need to see that what events are going here. So I need to enter on data layer that we are just receiving page post type 2, and this on. So we need something more, that we need all the product information, all the things are behind this product. Well, we need to understand that what is data layer. Well, data layer is a structured JavaScript object which like situated on a website, and like that acts as a central and temporary and also storage, like for data, like people are interacting with clicks or page views and purchases, so we can track easily with the data layer. So we need to enable it for making these procedures easier. So how we can do this? Simply we have to go to the backend of this website, and we can use a plugin like GTM for WP or GTM Kit or WP Code, whatever it is. We just need to understand the procedure, that how we can do that. Okay, so first we are going to the website backend. So this is my website, and to go to the backend we have to insert the link WP admin after slash. Okay, I'm just doing it. Okay, this is my website backend, and simply I have connected my website with the GTM by a plugin. The name of the plugin is GTM for WP. So this is the plugin. You can search it from the plugin section of this website backend. Okay, so I am going to the settings. Okay, we are headed to the settings, and I want to enable the data layer. So to enable data layer, I have to go to the integration section, and I need to head to Ecommerce. Okay, so here we can see the option track e-commerce data. So we need to check this out, and after that we need to save it. After saving it, the data layer will be enabled. Just simply I am closing this tab, and again I'm just previewing. Okay, preview complete. So website loads. It takes some time to connect with GTM and with the bio tag assistant. Okay, so website is loading now. We need to see that whenever we are viewing a product, the information goes to the Google Tag Assistant by the Google Tag Manager. So we have to understand that what is happening, and we need the information of the products. Okay, so this is connecting. The website is loading now. All right, the website loads, and this is connected. Okay, so we can see that the view item list, this event was not coming when we haven't checked the track e-commerce section on the plugin. So when someone is viewing this hand sanitizer or hand picked chilies, red chilies, suppose we want to view this assorted copy. Okay, assorted copy. When someone is visiting this site like assorted copy page, so we have to get an event that tells about that what is viewed. Okay, so simply we are going here that and going to data layer. Can you see that everything is coming? But before enabling this, the post type, page post type, only this four was coming. But the important things is the name of the product, the ID of the product. This was not coming. So this is important to track something like enhanced tracking. Okay, so I am just closing this tab now for now, because this video was made to show that how you can enable your WordPress sites data layer. Different sites and different mechanisms like Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, like show it. Lots of CMS are there. For WordPress, you can go or follow this procedure. For the other sites, they're different to enable data layer. So if you need any assistance or need any help, you can knock me out. I have given all the links, all the information to knock me out. So whenever you feel free to ask me that what you want to share with me about your business, just knock me out. I will be there. And thanks for watching the video. I think this might help. If you find this video helpful, just get me a like and also subscribe this channel. If you don't need to subscribe this channel. Thank you.